I've never been so rejuvenated in all my life. I've got more energy today than I've had in 10 years, just seeing all these old guys and knowing that they made it and lived this long. And I'm glad I lived this long. The French people have been so nice to us. It's unbelievable.
Get a little choked up. I mean, you look across the whole expanse and the number of monuments. Here, I'm just taking a picture of one that's no one's known. It just says here, unknown except to God. Very moving.
It's very touching, especially to see the veterans who are here, and after traveling around this area the last few days, having them meet each other, and it's a wonderful experience.